efficient packaging with the fully automatic milk candy vertical packaging machine. Streamline your candy packaging process with the fully automatic milk candy vertical packaging machine, designed for high-speed, precise, and reliable packing. Ideal for milk candies and other small confections, this machine ensures airtight sealing and attractive presentation for maximum shelf appeal. High-speed vertical packing ensures fast and efficient packaging. Accurate weight sealing delivers consistent and secure packs. Versatile packaging options supports various bag sizes and styles. User-friendly hygienic design, easy to operate, clean, and maintain. Operate your packaging process with the fully automatic milk candy vertical packaging machine, where speed meets precision.